Hello, my dear students. I'm ready with yet another round of quiz, and this time it is from chapter Heat. I hope you all have understood the chapter properly and you have revised it thoroughly. So let us start the quiz. The first question is, stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this would be A. Copper bottom makes the pan more durable. Such pans appear colorful. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. And D. Copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. And the correct answer is C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel. Now the next question. Bodies transmitting heat via radiation. A. Do not require any medium. B. Are liquids only. C. Make heat travel in one direction only. Or D. Solids only. So you have to tell the correct statement. And the correct answer is they do not require any medium. Now the next question is, in Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 0 degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit, 40 degree Fahrenheit or 212 degree Fahrenheit. And the correct answer is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now the next question. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degree Fahrenheit, 373 Kelvin and D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Now the next question. Sea breeze is caused due to conduction, convection, radiation or all of the above. And the correct answer is convection. An example of insulators of heat is wood, iron, aluminum, copper. And the answer is wood. Now temperature of boiling water can be measured by a dash thermometer. Maximum minimum thermometer, Celsius thermometer, clinical thermometer or laboratory thermometer. And the correct answer is laboratory thermometer. No medium is required for the transfer of heat by the process of radiation, conduction, convection or all of the above. The correct answer is radiation. Land breeze blows during winters, summers, night or day. And the correct answer is it blows during the night time. Transfer of heat from burner to pan is by the process of conduction, convection, radiation or all of the above. And the correct answer is conduction. The clinical thermometer can break when kept in sun, when hit by hard object, when dipped in boiling liquid or all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Now light colored clothes are preferred during day, winters, night or summer. The correct answer is summer. Which metal is preferred in a thermometer? Aluminum, steel, mercury, iodine. And the correct answer is mercury. Which of the following is the best conductor of heat? Metal, water vapor, alcohol or water? And the correct answer is metal. In liquids, heat transfer takes place by radiation, conduction, convection, or none of these. And the answer is convection. The woolen clothes keep us warm during winter because wool is an insulator, wool is a conductor, wool traps air, wool has a vacuum. You have to tell which all statements are correct. A and B, B and C, C and D, or A and C. And the correct answer is statement A and C are correct. Now the next question is the process which can transfer heat through the vacuum as well as air is conduction, convection, radiation, or none. And the correct answer is radiation. Now the next question. The unit in which temperature is measured is degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, or all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Range of a laboratory thermometer is 10 degree to 110 degrees Celsius, minus 10 degrees to 110 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, 94 degrees Celsius to 108 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. A person sitting in front of a room heater feels hot. Name the process by which heat is transferred. Conduction, convection, radiation, or all of the above. And the answer is convection. Now the next question. A wooden tile is warmer than a marble tile in winter mornings because marble is better conductor than wood, wood absorbs more heat than marble, wood is better conductor than marble, or all of the above. The answer is marble is a better conductor than wood. Now let us do some conversion. Convert 0 degree Celsius to Kelvin. And the answer is 273 Kelvin. Now next one, convert 35 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. And the answer will be 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And the formula for this conversion is the Fahrenheit scale is equal to degree Celsius into 9 by 5, which is equal to 1.8 plus 32. Next, convert 302 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. And the answer is 150 degrees Celsius. The formula for the conversion is shown here. So students, that's all for this chapter. I hope you all enjoyed the quiz and you were able to answer the questions properly. Thank you, students.